The coordinates of the vertices of triangle RST are R negative 2, 3, S 4, 4, and T 2, negative 2. Triangle R prime S prime T prime is the image of triangle RST after a rotation of 90 degrees about the origin. State the coordinates of the vertices of triangle R prime S prime T prime. Alright, so let's write our original coordinates. And there they are. And let's recall the rule for rotating 90 degrees. There's our rule. What the rule is saying is to switch X and Y and negate the original Y. So let's do it for R. Here's the X coordinate. Here's the Y coordinate. So what we have to do is switch their places and negate the original Y. So what should be the coordinates of R prime? Negative 3, negative 2. And S prime would be negative 4, 4. And T prime should be what? Let me spend a little bit of time on this one. So here's the X coordinate, and here's the Y coordinate. So they're going to switch places, and you have to negate the Y. But you say the Y already has a negative. Indeed it does. So what happens when you negate a negative? Think about it for a second. What happens when you negate a negative? You're putting another negative on a negative. What that's going to do is it's going to make it positive. So you get 2, 2. Okay, so there's our final answer when we use the rule. I want to show you what it looks like on the graph, just so you have an idea of what's happening. Okay, so there are our original points, R, S, and T. Let me just make sure that's correct. So R is negative 2, 3, right? Yes. And S is 4, 4, and T is 2, negative 2. Yes. So we're good. All right, so what it said is to rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. So what that means is we're rotating this way 90 degrees counterclockwise. All right, that's what we're doing. We're rotating 90 degrees counterclockwise, and you always assume that it's counterclockwise. So let me tell Sketchpad to do that for us. Transform, rotate 90 degrees. There you go. That's what the rotation looks like. So S prime should be negative 4, 4. Is that what we had? Yes. R prime should be negative 3, negative 2. That is what we had. And T prime should be 2, 2.